Hi, my name is Afsharandera and I'm an immigration attorney and managing attorney at Michael Sullivan & Associates in Los Angeles. I want to talk to you about getting ready for H-1B cap season. What is the H-1B visa? What is the H-1B lottery? And what is the new H-1B electronic registration? So, one step at a time. The H-1B is a professional work visa and is for workers in occupations that require highly specialized knowledge, such as individuals in the computer and high-tech industries. But it's also available to people in other specialized fields, such as accountants, attorneys, and scientific or medical workers. Basically, the individual applicant has to have a degree or its equivalent, and the job position itself requires a degree. So the H-1B lottery. There are only 85,000 H-1B visas made available each year, and last year there were over 200,000 petitions submitted for the lottery. That's been true for about 4 years running now. That means more than half of the petitions were returned unopened. This year, for the first time, USCIS, the government agency that is responsible for adjudicating H-1B applications, will be requiring that all companies register in advance, and they will run a lottery based on that registration information only. The registrants who get a lottery slot will be the only ones who will submit a complete H-1B application. Overall, this is a very good thing for businesses. You will not have to prep the entire H-1B application unless you get a slot. Plus, you get to know earlier in the process whether you even got a slot. So there's a timeline for this new registration. In January to February, you should be vetting your candidates and the position and be liaising with your lawyer. From March 1st to 20th, and these are key dates, USCIS will open registration at myuscis.gov. We do not know many details about the system as it's brand new and newly implemented, but there'll be a specific portal process and everything will be done through that portal. Attorneys will be able to do this for companies. There is a $10 fee to be paid in the portal. The key at this time is to pre-prepare your application and have the basic electronic company registration ready before March 1st when the lottery opens. So is it possible to do this? The answer is yes. And please work with immigration attorneys who know what they're doing. For example, in the electronic registration on the portal, we are going to need to document information for the company. This is the company's name, the company's federal employer identification number, the FEIN number, that's the number that's been issued by IRS and used to file taxes, the primary US office address, and information of the authorized signatory, the person signing all the H-1B forms, meaning their name, title, and contact information. We'll also need the information of the candidate, including such basic information as their name, gender, date and country of birth, country of citizenship, passport number, whether they have a US advanced degree. Note that at this early company registration stage that they are not requesting any information about the job title or salary. Of course this may change, but it seems unlikely that they will do so, which is good news for us. So now USCIS has that information, and from that it will conduct its lottery based on the properly filed registrants. So now we have after March 20th. There will be a lottery announcement after March 20th. Again, as it's brand new, we don't know the details. It's not just a first for us, the lawyers, employers, and applicants, but it's also a first for the government. What we do know is that the results will be announced through the portal. The results will be one of the following. You got a lottery spot, you didn't get one, or you are on a wait list. The wait list will be there for people should any of the initial lottery winners decide not to apply. So let's say you've got a slot. After you've got the slot, you must file the H-1B petition within 90 days of getting that result. This is a hard deadline. It takes several weeks to put together an H-1B application and longer to make a good one. One of the important time delays to keep in mind is that you are required to have a Certified Labour Certification application, LCA, from the Department of Labour, and that process alone can take a couple of weeks. The 90 days seems like a while, but it gets tight when you think of all the steps. Regardless of when the H-1B is approved, the earliest start date for the H-1B is October 1st. If you would like more information, you can reach me at arandera@sullivanattorneys.com. That's ARANDERA @sullivanattorneys.com. And please hit subscribe below. I look forward to hearing from you and hopefully helping you.